Hey there, welcome back to Creative Book Club, where we select a book, we're going to journal it, and then we're going to give ourselves a good week to read it, and then we are going to do a craft about it. So it's just a fun way to kind of do a book club with your friends, where you guys pick out a book. I like journaling about it, just and then that way I can look back in my journal and see all the books I've read. And then you can do a craft with your friends and discuss the book. Um, as I'm journaling this, I kind of wanted to go for a impressionist type of look, but I might have gotten away from it a bit. So I'm just gonna journal the cover there, and I'll put the title on the page. But if you want to watch me kind of struggle with my impressionism, I'm gonna read the back of the book that I've selected for this week, and it is "Ask for Andrea" by Noelle W. Ihli. Hopefully, I said the last name right. And I'll read what it's about on the back. So, on the back, it says Megan, Brescia, and Sky have just one thing in common: they were all murdered by the same man. He hunted them online, masquerading as an eligible bachelor. Then he played the perfect gentleman, a thick layer of charm and a 1,000-watt smile, hiding the fact that his first dates end in shallow graves. He's gotten away with murder 3 times now. The only thing that might keep him from killing again? The women he murdered. Megan, Brescia, and Sky might be dead, but they're not gone. They've found each other, and they won't rest until they find a way to stop him. The hunt is on. Oh, kind of sounds like a Dateline mystery. So I'm looking forward to reading this and what it's about. Looks like a lot of book clubs have recommended it, and it says it's a thriller, so it sure does sound like it. So what we'll do is we'll take this time to go ahead and read it, and then next week I'll have a craft picked out that kind of relates to the story that you could do with your friends. So hopefully you'll take a moment and read, and then join us back next week.